So as you can see here, this website will accept anyone from beginners all the way up to experts. So it doesn't matter if you have a lot of experience or zero experience, you can start using this website today. Okay, so if you're a beginner, you're going to earn a little bit less, but not so much. As you can see, beginners are going to earn around 40 cents per minute. So that's around $6 if you teach a 15-minute session. And it goes all the way up to $11.25 per 15-minute session for experts. So let's take a look at how much money you could earn per day. If you're a beginner and you do 10 sessions a day, which isn't really going to take you long, it'll be 150 minutes in total. What's that, like 2.5 hours? That'll be $60 in just 2.5 hours of work. And then it goes up and up and up the more experience you gain and the longer you spend working on this website. And I'm going to show you exactly how in this video. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Digital Millionaire here. So in today's one, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make money online by teaching English. All right, you can work from your computer at home whenever you want, wherever you want, and earn potentially hundreds of dollars every single day. So the website you're going to want to come to is this one right here, talentdesire.com. And what we're focusing on is the teaching job. So if you scroll down, 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 and you come to here, this is the online teaching jobs we're focusing on in this video. So you can earn up to $112 or more per day, okay? And you should expect to get a minimum work of $1,500 per month, okay? You can earn $1,500 per month just working from home on your laptop. So let's click read more and take a look at exactly what they require from you for this job, okay? So become an online teacher and share your knowledge. They are looking for a tutor to perform teaching and guiding tasks for global clients all over the world. Okay, so they do have some basic requirements, which I'm going to show you in just a moment, all right? But first of all, let's take a look at this. So you can earn up to potentially $33,750 per year from doing this, okay? And that is from home, working just a few hours per day. All right, so guaranteed work. You should expect to get the minimum of $1,500 per month on this website right here. They pay really, really, really well. So this is what I showed you in the intro. They have different levels and different pay levels, okay, depending on your skill. So if you are just a beginner, just starting out, you've never taught before, you have zero experience, you can expect to earn around 40 cents per minute. Intermediate will go up to 50 cents per minute. Professional, 65 cents. And then when you've been on here for a good while, you've got a lot of experience, they're going to boost your pay all the way up to 75 cents per minute, all right? So that means you could earn $11.25 in just 15 minutes of work, okay? Really, really good pay on this website. So if you're an expert and you were doing 10 sessions a day, that would be $112.50 in your pocket. This website pays super, super well. But what I want to show you first of all are the requirements. Now, they don't have a lot. I was really, really surprised at how little requirements they have on here, okay? Because if you look at some other teaching websites like this one right here, this is called Data ABC, they are very, very strict. You have to be from particular countries like the USA or Canada or the UK. You have to be a native English speaker. You need a degree. You need teaching certificates and all sorts of stuff like this. That is what you need for websites like this. The same with Wales English here. They have some very, very strict requirements that you absolutely need. But if we go back to this one right here, talentdesire.com, these are the requirements, okay? You need a basic knowledge of internet and English, okay? Just a very basic knowledge of internet and English. You basically need to just be able to speak better than their clients, which are going to be like Chinese and things like that. A lot of Asian countries and even some European countries as well who can barely speak any English at all. So you don't need to be a professional. You don't need to have perfect English, just a basic knowledge. And you also need to be able to type between 30 to 50 words per minute, okay? You need a typing speed of a minimum of 30 words per minute. So if you would like to check your speed, you can come to a website like this. This is ratatype.com, and on here you can do a typing test. So at the top here, just click this button, typing test, and you can go ahead and start that. Take your typing test, click this, and when you're ready, just click this button and do the test, okay? My microphone is in the way of my keyboard, so I'm just going to embarrass myself if I try. But I want you guys to do this and go to the comment section as well and let me know what your typing speed is. I'd love to know. I'm really curious, like what your typing speed is. Mine's not really that great, I don't think. I'll give it a go later, and I'll comment it down below what I got. So when you're ready, just click start typing now, and you're going to type out every single word you see here. Okay, and it's going to give you an accuracy score percentage here, and it's also going to give you a words per minute. So if you go back to here, you need a minimum of 30 words per minute. Okay, 50 would be great, and if you're higher than 50, that's going to be absolutely perfect. You're going to do really well on this website. So come here and type whatever there is and get your words per minute score. If you want to start again, you want to keep trying and practicing, you can just keep clicking restart here and just keep trying again. Okay, it's going to give you different things to write every time. Okay, so try it out, see how good you are at typing, get your speed, and hopefully you are above 30. Another requirement is a computer with a high-speed internet connection. Now, you don't need super fast internet. Just a few megabytes a second download speed is going to be enough, okay? Maybe like 5, around that is going to be enough, okay? Any higher than 5 is going to be great, but around like 2, 3, 4, 5 is going to be fine. And eligibility, you must be 16 years or older, and you need a secondary or high school diploma, okay? So like the other websites, I said you need a degree, you need a bachelor's degree for these websites. But on here, you only need a secondary or high school diploma. There's not much you need at all. And the joining fee is completely free. There's no hidden cost, nothing at all. So when you're ready to apply, just scroll all the way down to the bottom of here and click the apply now, and you can get started on this website. Okay, just type in whatever they require from you. You have the ability, blah blah blah. Step 1, select an application form. So step 2, complete it as per the guideline. Step 3, submit it or send it to us. Step 4, complete your demo project. Okay, you're gonna need to do a demo to show you are able to speak English and you have some basic knowledge of English and teaching skills. Okay, they'll review your application, they'll schedule an interview, and the final decision will be made, okay? But yeah, the requirements are pretty low, so a lot of you guys will be able to make money on here, okay? So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. TalentDesire.com, come on here, start teaching English to people all over the world and make a lot of money, okay? Potentially like $112 per day once you become that expert level. So guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, comment, all of that good stuff, and I'll catch you in the next video.